guys, October 12th, 2022. This one I got a call from an older lady. New burner service. I don't think I've ever worked for her before. She wants me to go by there and give it the annual service.
Turn left on Dartmouth Street.
She said it's a newer system, so a lot of guys, they don't do, you know, unless you buy oil from them, they're not going to service the burner. That's why I step in. I don't sell oil. That's usually what happens. Some of these oil burner companies, they'll put the system in, but they won't service it. They won't service it unless you buy their oil. So in other words, they're charging you a lot more for the oil, but then you get the service. So if you don't buy oil from them, you can't get service from them. So I don't have no problem servicing the burners. I do a lot of them, so we don't mind. Well, I just give her a card and in and out of there, no time. Told her to call me next year. So, call me next year, Mama. And keep it running. I got all the parts for the Riello in my truck. Breaks down in the winter, I'll fix that sucker right up. I got all the parts. I'll check this filter. Riello. First time here, never been here before. If this shuts. First time here, so we're going to change the filter straight up. Not looking crazy bad, but we'll change it anyway. F1. Leave it here. I should be able to bleed it here. If not, we could just pull it through the pump. Not that big of a deal. I got a tiger loop on the thing, self-bleeding. It's a tiger loop, so it's self-bleeding. Alright, it's bled now. Like I said, it's got a tiger loop, so that's self-bleeding anyway. It's always good to get the air out of them. Thing looks new. There's 3 screws you gotta loosen up to get this cover off. It's a Riello. Got a little Phillips right here, you gotta loosen this up. I should be able to. Power's off to the burner. Looks like brand new. Looks brand new to me. Get this cover off of here and pull the nozzle assembly out. Brand flipping new. Oh, let me see a date on this thing, but man, this thing looks new. Oh, 5-inch smoke pipe coming off it. Thing's tiny. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Little Phillips right here. Like I said, I got the power off to it, so there should be no power to this thing. Should come right out of there. Alright, on the Riello, there's a little set screw right here, Phillips. You can loosen that up. Sometimes you gotta grab it with pliers. Get started. Get started with the pliers. And screw back right out. And this draw assembly. See, the screw goes right in that hole there. See it? This really don't look bad. A little carbon on there, it's nothing. What do we got there? 120. 0.75, 60. 0.75, 60. Alright, we'll put this back in, tighten up that screw, I ain't coming out of there, see it? Get a couple of screws loose, Mama. Let's get a couple of screws loose. That drops right in place there. The screw. Like I said, it's got a tiger loop on it, so it's self-bleeding. That's back in. You got a queer little hex. It's a T15 is what it is. T15 metric. Riello's all metric. It's a German burner, made in Canada. Made in Canada. It's got a bypass plug in it because it's a 2-pipe. Put this back on. That's the Phillips. And we should be ready to fire this baby up and see how it fires up. Heat. Alright, we'll just turn this up for now. Might be off on limit, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it might be off on limit. Oh. Unless it's got some kind of outside reset on this piece of shit. I'm gonna dull it. Yeah, she's running nice and clean, you can see it in there. Oil pressure is good. Quite a delay on it. Alright, new filter tank, new nozzle, clean burner head. She's ready to go. 4 zones. Not a big fan of these Grenforce, but kind of a shitty spot to have the control in the back there. But